In this video, I will show you how to rearrange your apps so that you could keep your tablet organized. The tablet I'm using is Samsung Galaxy Tab. So we go to this page, and if I go to the next page, you can see there are two apps there, and if I go to the third page, there's just one app there. It can be as many pages, doesn't matter, and the apps can be spread out. So what you got to do is to touch these three dots in this corner and simply select clean up pages. Then it will show you the final results. And luckily in Samsung, it keeps your folders that you have already created. And once you're happy with the arrangement, just simply touch apply. And here it is. All apps are now arranged in an orderly manner, and it's just one page now. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to watch my other videos on my left and to subscribe to support my channel. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye.